Welcome to this quick video on turning your documents into tabs in Microsoft Teams channels. So if, like me, you work in Microsoft Teams and you've got a lot of documents, you've got a lot of storage of documents in there. Now I've only got a couple on my screen, but I do have some files, especially when I work with my work, where there's lots of documents, there's lots of folders and documents with folders, and we use it as a storage area so we can all access our content. Now that's great, but when you're trying to find something that's really important right there, then in the moment, it can be really hard to find it. It can take a while for everything to open, and you can lose those precious minutes, and it can make it harder for you and everyone else to do what you need to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to create a tab from a document, and then you can go in and quickly access that document without having to go into the files and go and have a look at all that. And obviously you don't have to leave it there, that tab, once you're done with it. If it's something you're working on, like let's say a budget or something, and you're working on during budget season, and then you don't want to worry about it, there's something even more important, you start looking at the New Year strategy or something like that, then you can change it, or you can add multiple tabs if you want, but you don't always have to have them there. So just to give you a really quick, simple example, on my screen I've got a test document, and when I hover, you can see the three dots. When I click on those three dots, I'm going to get my options menu, and I'm going to click on make this a tab. Now that may take a few seconds to process, but you'll be able to see in the top now, I've got test.docx as a new tab. And if I click on that, it will open up my document within the Teams window. Now it obviously behaves like any other sort of file. I can go and I can edit it in a browser if I want to, just by clicking on the drop down on the editing. I can open it in a desktop app because it is a Word document. So you do get the same functionality even if you've created a tab for your document, and that document will still exist in the file section. It's almost like you just created a quick link and created it as a new tab so that you and everyone else who has access to this channel can go in and grab it really simply and really easy. What you can also do is, if I click on that drop down, is you've got a few different options there. The key ones are the rename option, and once you don't want it as a tab anymore, you can go and remove it. And it's just going to warn you about the tab being removed. I'm just going to click on remove and lose that. But when I click on the file tab again, you can see the document is still there. All I've done is remove the tab because it's no longer really important at that point, and I can just take it away. And like I said, I can add other documents as tabs or applications or anything. So really nice tip from a productivity point of view, just to make it easy for you and everyone else to access the important documents. At that point, creating a tab, you can go and view it straight away, and then you can go in and use the edit options to edit in whatever format you want if you don't want to edit it within Teams. So have a go at that one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.